Sairam, dear children. So today we shall continue with the remaining states and their capitals. Before we start, let's take a small recap of what we have learned in the previous class. Yes, children, in previous class we have learned to locate the states on the outline map of India. I have numbered from 1 to 12. We have learned to locate 12 states on the outline map of India. Which outline map? Political map. Okay, on the political map. Now let us recall the names of the states and their respective capitals. Number 1, Himachal Pradesh. The capital is Shimla. Number 2, try to recollect. Number 2, yes, yellow part. It is Punjab. What is the capital? The capital is Chandigarh. Number 3 is Uttaranchal. The capital of Uttaranchal is Dehradun. Number 4. The number 4 is Haryana. Capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Can you recollect, children? The capital of Punjab? Yes, Punjab is also Chandigarh. Therefore, Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab and Haryana. Both the states share the same capital, that is Chandigarh. You have to remember. Number 5. Number 5 is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the biggest state, right? It is the biggest state of India. What is the capital of Rajasthan? The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Number 6, Uttar Pradesh. What is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? Lucknow. Number 7 is Bihar. What is the capital of Bihar? Patna. Number 8, Gujarat. What is the capital of Gujarat? The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Number 9, Madhya Pradesh. The capital of Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Number 10, Jharkhand. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Okay, the capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Number 11, West Bengal. What is the capital of West Bengal? The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. You can see on the top of West Bengal, yes, a small state. It is the second smallest state of India. Yes, it is Sikkim. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. So, we have recalled the names of all the states that we have learned in previous class. Now, children, on the screen, you can see two maps, right? Now, both the maps are political map. Now, on the left hand side, you can see a map which is looking very colorful. Why is it looking very colorful? Because it is completed map. It is completed. It is showing all the states and union territories along with the capitals. Whereas on the right hand side, the map is not colorful. It is black and white. You have to fill color, right? And the shape of the states are given, but the names are not written. You have to write down the names. Names you have to locate. You have to identify the shape, and accordingly you have to locate the place. So, the right hand side is the outline map of political map of India, and the left hand side is the political map of India. This political map is for reference. You have to refer the political map of India, and accordingly you have to fill up on the outline map of political map of India. I hope you have understood. Now, let us learn to locate Maharashtra on the outline map of India. Now, where is Maharashtra? Yes, this green color. Try to understand the shape of the state, shape of Maharashtra, how it looks. So, accordingly, you have to find out Maharashtra on the outline map of India. See, this is Maharashtra, right? Yes. So, here, where is Maharashtra? This one. Can you identify the shape? Yes. And I have already taught you how you are supposed to locate. You have to draw one arrow, and on the arrow, you have to write down the name. You have to write the complete name. Okay, you have to write Maharashtra. I am writing only M, but you are supposed to write complete name. Next is Goa. Goa is the neighboring state of Maharashtra, locating towards the south of Maharashtra. Now, Goa, the capital of Goa is Panaji. This one is Goa, the small one. Can you see? Yes. Now you have to identify Goa on the outline map. Yes, this is Goa, the small one. Followed, children? This one is Goa. Now what you have to do? You have to make one arrow. Let me erase this. Yes, you have to make one arrow. This way you will be making one arrow. You are indicating that this small place is Goa. And above arrow you will write Goa. I am writing the first letter, but you will write the complete word. The capital of Goa is Panaji. Goa is the smallest state of India. Rajasthan is the biggest state and Goa is the smallest state of India. You have to remember this. The next one is Karnataka. Now Karnataka is also the neighboring state of Maharashtra. Yes, you have to see the shape, how it looks, and accordingly you have to locate Karnataka on the outline map of India that is given on the screen. Yes, this one is Karnataka. So what you are supposed to do? You have to draw one arrow, and on arrow you will be writing Karnataka. I have just written K, the first letter. You will be writing the whole word, whole complete state. The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru. As we move towards south, we will reach Kerala. Try to understand the shape of Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Tiruvananthapuram. Now on the outline map of India, you have to locate Kerala. So this part, this is Kerala, okay? So what you have to do, you have to draw one arrow and you will be writing the whole complete name, Kerala. Followed, children, how to locate? This way you are supposed to locate. Kerala is the neighboring state of Karnataka. Now, as we move towards east, that is the east of Kerala, we can find Tamil Nadu. Now try to understand the shape of Tamil Nadu. Okay, and here on the outline map, we have to locate Tamil Nadu. So this is Tamil Nadu. This is the neighboring state of Kerala. It is also the neighboring state of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. See here, it is written Chennai. So this is, here we have to draw one arrow like this, it is showing, and above it we have to write down Tamil Nadu. Okay, above it you have to write down Tamil Nadu. This way you are supposed to locate state on the outline map of India. Now from Tamil Nadu, as we move upward, that towards north, we can find Andhra Pradesh. Now try to understand the shape of Andhra Pradesh. So on the outline map of India, we have to locate Andhra Pradesh. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. What is the capital? It is Amravati. So here we have to draw one arrow like this, and then we have to write above it, you have to write down Andhra Pradesh. You have to write the full complete name. Follow, children, how you are supposed to locate? Yeah, this way you have to locate the states on the outline map of India. You need practice. After practice, you will become perfect. Now, above Andhra Pradesh, the pink color part you can see. Yes, try to understand the shape of this state. The name of the state is Telangana. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. So on the outline map of India, you have to locate Telangana. So how you are supposed to do it? You have to draw one arrow. What you have to draw? You have to draw an arrow. Like this, you will be drawing one arrow. This part is showing Telangana, and then here you will be writing, above it you will be writing the whole word, okay, Telangana. Full spelling, complete spelling you are going to write down. Now children, we have learned Telangana, right? How to locate Telangana. From Telangana, as we move upwards, okay, we can find Chhattisgarh. The capital, the name of the capital is Raipur. The name of the state is Chhattisgarh, and Raipur is the capital. Now you have to locate Chhattisgarh on the outline map of India. So this is Chhattisgarh. You have to draw one arrow, and on it you have to write down Chhattisgarh. Now from Chhattisgarh, as we move towards east, we will reach which place, children? Odisha. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. So you have to draw one arrow. This is Odisha. You have to find out. You have to understand the shape, okay, and then you have to accordingly you have to find out the similar shape on the outline map, and then you have to locate the place by drawing an arrow. You will draw one arrow, and above it you will be writing the name of the state. Now children, in previous class we have learned these places, right? How to locate these places on the map of India. And in today's class we have learned the places that are located in the southern part of India, right? So let us do a small recap that we have learned today. 13th one is, yes, Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Then let us do the 14th one. 14th one is Chhattisgarh. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Then 15th is Odisha. This one is 15th. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Then 16th one, this one very small, the smallest state of India? Yes, it is Goa. The capital of Goa is Panaji. Then comes the 17th one. The 17th one is Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru. Then 18th one, this one, yellow color, yes, this one 18th one. The capital, 18th one is Telangana. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Then comes the 19th one. The 19th one is Andhra Pradesh. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Then the 20th one, this one, 20th one is Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Tiruvananthapuram. Tiruvananthapuram. Then comes 21, this one, Tamil Nadu. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. So today we have learned another 9 states and their respective capitals. Now you have to learn, see in previous class 1 to 12 we have done, and in this class we have done 13 to 21. So total 21 you have learned how to locate the states on the outline map of India. So you have to practice at home how to, the location of how to locate the states on the outline map of India. You have to practice. On the left hand side you can see pictures of states, and on the right hand side capitals are given. You have to identify the correct capital by circling it. Now see the first state. Yes, which state is this? Maharashtra, our state where we live. What is the capital of Maharashtra? The capital of Maharashtra is, yes, Mumbai. So you have to circle it. Now the next one, Karnataka. You have to remember the shape. Shape is very important. You have to remember the shape so that you can locate it on the outline map of India. What is the capital of Karnataka? The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru. So this is the correct capital. The next one, Telangana. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Tamil Nadu. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Odisha. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chhattisgarh. The capital of Chhattisgarh is, yes children, Raipur. Capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Capital of Kerala is Tiruvananthapuram. Tiruvananthapuram. You need practice. And children, you have to learn the name of the states and their respective capitals with the spellings. You should know the spellings. Now children, this is homework, or you can say home assignment. Now already in the previous class, I've asked you to write down the names of the states with their respective capitals from number 1 to 12, right? You have written from number 1 to 12. You have to just continue, same page, you have to just continue from number 13 to 21. You have to write down the names of the capitals names of the states with their respective capitals number 13 from number 13 to number 21. Followed? You just have to continue. And children, you have to remember the spellings. Spellings are very important. You have to remember, you have to by heart the spellings also.